UGC NET Exam June 2025 session gi teaching aptitude ta hangkiba question khara naina si ngasi gi sina part 2 ni part 1 gi makha chatharapani ko question number 9 na kari hairi which of the following describes the primary characteristics of student centered teaching hai student centered teaching gi maru oiba characteristics sing do sigi man statement 1 2 3 4 piribe sidagi khalu haibani question hangibasi student centered teaching hai student centered teaching hai bataragadi mapung oiba role se satrana logudobuni khudam oina haira kanda assignment ibabu oiro project work ama sembabu oiro masida oza sina si hapkanu si area si maru oigra haidana ozana hints instruction pigani aduga actual work tudi satra masana tawjagadobuni madubuni aikoina student centered teaching hairibase hairibe student centered teaching ga mari leinaba statement makai yengsiko one kari hairi the teacher is the sole source of information and authority hai ozasina amata ngairaba sole haiko amata ngairaba source of information ni hai oza dudagi information se lakadabani oza khaktadagi lakadabani hai sidi langani satrana mapungoiba mahiroisingna mapungoiba role loroidore ozano ina lawshalakadore so sigi statement 1 se masima langani ko tu na kari hairi learning is based strictly on fixed curriculum without student input satragi idea satragi knowledge satragi input yaudavida fixed curriculum da like tambani hai satragi input yaudaba hairese lali mapungoiba role satrana logodoribani na satragi idea wakalon inputs mayamama yaugodoribani student centered method haibasida statement 3 na kari hairi the teacher acts as a facilitator ozaduna facilitator amoine ek togani haibani facilitator haigadi mateng pangba tawgadoriba thabak thoram mayam do karamaina tawragadi fagani faroi haibana chingba takpado khudong sahanbado madu facilitator kowi ozana facilitator ama oigani aduga students are active participants ai satra singdo phajana actively involved tawgadoineba learning process ta aduna student centered approach haiba satrana mapung oiba role logodubudo maduda ozana help tawraga satra singsina mahiroi singsina active participants ama oigani hairise masidi chana yena khalle aduna statement 3 si chungmani go 4 na kari hari assessment is solely focused on rote memorization of facts hai mahiroi singdo kayam yamna khangabagi hairabagi haidana test toba assessment tobase solely kari khakta da tawgadagi haiba kanda rote memorization of facts hai moina facts singdo just chimpa dang puba maduni assessment oigani hai masi su langani chumoi ko Question number 10 sina match the levels of Bloom's taxonomy level 1 with the corresponding actions level 2 hai Bloom's taxonomy gi matang ni Bloom's taxonomy gi magi cognitive domain gi level khara pire sigi list 1 sida ko remembering understanding applying evaluating haidana pire masiga chana ba magi action makhaina list 2 da pire masi matching tau haibani aduna ahan badai koina remembering haibataragadi karigumba information khara idea khara facts khara chimpha puba madu niksingba ngamba madu remembering gowi understanding hairaganabu aikoina chimpha puriba poto maduna hainingi basi karino haidana mapung phana gyan taba ngambaduna understanding ni applying hairaganabu aikoina khangiba idea knowledge to anoba situation amada anoba mafam amada apply to ba haigadabani evaluating hairaganabu leiriba any hiram am oigera pot am oigera program am oigera masi kayam yamna phai phate fazai fazade karamaina tawragadi fagani haidana magi assessment nama nainabase masina evaluation go wi ko masiga loina na list 2 da piribi action sing se yengse one the kari hai judging the value of information or ideas hai information natraga idea do magi value do maduda judgment nama piba masi fabel idea se masigi idea masigi information se masi value yamna leibra value yamna wangba pot la idea ra natraga value ilai leitaba yam kana maru oidaba adugumbara haidana aikoina nainaba masi kariga chanagadagi basigi judgment pibase sigi judgment pibase evaluation haibase masiga chanagani recalling facts and basic concepts hai facts amadi basic concepts to ningsing ba haibani ningsing basidi remember ga chanare remembering se explaining ideas or concepts hai aikoina idea ama concept ama explain tauge hairagadi hairiba idea hairiba concept to hana aikoina understand tauba khangba oigedobani aduna understanding level ga chanagani sige 3 sina aduga 4 dana using information in new situations anova situation da information sizinaba haibani masina applying ga chanaga duini ko sumaina tawdana Bloom's taxonomy gi level singsiga magi description khara piraga makhoiga matching tawbase he hangi haibatare. Question number 11. Masiso Bloomsky CAP classification of educational objectives hai CAP hairisi masi magi domain ahum lay cognitive haibama then affective haibamaga and psychomotor haibamaga laykiko adumaina tawduna aikoina Bloom's taxonomy gi magi domain ahum do hairiba sigi domain sida question na hangibasi kaino blank leire sida is an example of psychomotor domain hai psychomotor gi domain gi example khallu haibani sigi mana piriba 1 2 3 4 sida aikoidi hauziki sigi mana psychomotor gi hangba daraga su sida piriba makhaise karambana cognitive kino karambana affective no karambana psychomotor no loina nainaram sib ahanbagi organizing haidana ama yauri masi noina munna paba taragadi masi effective domain gi oidoini ko se application jena housing nga ki mamang de su naina khibado cognitive domain gi oidoini manipulation sini mana question na hangiba psychomotor domain se comprehension se su cognitive domain oirakani ko sumaina cognitive domain ta kai kai yawi effective tena kai kai yawi amadi psychomotor domain dena kai kai yawi haibado khangagadi hairiba sigi question se laina solve to ngamgani ko. Question number 12 amuka nainasi. Question number 12 na hairibasi arrange the following problem solving strategy. Problem solve to no strategy kharamana piri hairibasi gi strategy singse masi arrange to haibani. Aikoina problem ama solve to matamda ahan bade kari step logani mathang de kari step logani magi step makai process makai do madu order naina arrange to haibani ko aduna mana pyramid ba strategy makai se khoi pasi e da kari hai generate many possible solutions oithokpa yaba solution mayama ma generate to haibani brainstorming ga haibaduni ko bidana asimaina akoina problem maya akogi solution mayama ma puthokpa haibani masi mathagwai haurakpa adwaidadi oigadoini problem solving strategy gi solution mayam puthokpa haibase mathang de bidana kari hai determine how to implement the solution do karamaina thabak to onthokadobuno implement tawgadobuno haibado laptoppa aduga evaluate the success of the solution do kayam yamna mai pa abagi haidana evaluate tawba masidi loiramdai do ina lakani khale mana problem solving strategy ki mathang manau naina arrange to haibaniba anu solution karamaina implement tawgani aduga hairiba solution no mai pa abra haidana naina basidi loirakpa romda loirakpada lakadoba adugumba stage ni ko atop stage singse yengese make a decision ama lawro then evaluate its solution khuding makto ko its solution khuding makto nangna evaluate tawro naina ro haibaniba mana hairise ko then mathang da define the problem do karino hana masak khangdokpa haibani masina define the problem haibasina ihan hanba adugumba ama oigani khali problem solving strategy da ahan bada problem do karino masak khangdokpa darkar oye aikoina problem do solve tawnabagi damakta hairiba problem do karino haidana khangdo aba aduga hairiba problem sigi matangda generate many possible solutions brainstorming tawraga masigi oithokpa yaba solution mayama ma aikoina puthokpa masina ani suba step oigani sumaina ko solution mayama ma puthoe oithokpa yaba mathangdana bu evaluate its solution khuding makto amamamta amuka masi chanagadra chana ruidra problem se solve toba ngamgadoribra ngamoidoribra haidana solution khuding makki merit demerit pros cons mayam nainabada masina mathangda lakadobani ahum subada sumaina nangna solution mayam du nainara kansida karamba solution nangna apply tawgadoribano haibado nangna decision nama lawba tare make a decision hairise sina mari subada decision is lawgani aduga determine how to implement the solution nangna karamba solution apply tawdoino lepkhre determine tawkhre decision nama lawkhre hairiba solution do karamaina thabak to onthoktoino aduga finally hairiba solution do kayam success oirabagi haibase masi evaluate tawba masina last ta lakadowani sumaina aikoina problem solve tꯧbagi steps khara leire. Question number 13 among yengsi. Select the right combination of statements. Sida man statement khara pire high rib statement singse makoi ye correct combination du khallu haibani. Aduna high rib statement singse amamam tai khoi paraga yengsi ko. Statement A de kari high. Role of teacher's personality is very important high. Ozagi personality se yam na maru oi high. Masi idealism high besidar. Idealism high se kari no ai khoi hana khang darkar oi. Idealism hairagadi akhuna angang orikandegara ideal student amagi matangde SCU grana hangpa nainaba yauki. Ideal student haiba taragadi mahiroya mase magi oifam thokpase fazan oiba yamna phaba yamna perfect oiba maram mokpa adu ada hek oigadaba makhaise oiba afaba makhaise madu ideal oiba kawe. Aduna ozarom da laga nabu ozama da madi yaugadaba magi magun magi personality magi characteristic mong mato mayam se ozada yauragadi yaubra yaudabra ni khoi nainaba madu idealism kawe. Aduna statement A na hairisi ozagi personality se very important yamna maru oi hairisi idealism dar hairagadi. Yes, idealism hairise ozadugi magi personality oifam thokpado kari oigadobuno haibado uigadobuneba mai oifam thokpa mayamdo yamna maru oi very important haibanina idealism da yam maru oiba ozagi personality se. Statement B na hairisina role of teacher's personality is of limited importance hai. Ozagi personality se maru budi oi adubu limited importance maru oi bado khara limited oi yamna maru oi bado madudi natti haibani masina pragmatism hai. Pragmatism hai ragadi kaigumba thaba ama taw matamda yamna practical oiba khut yauraga thabak oini hekta pangthokpado theory oina wa sum ngangaga leiba nataba thabak oina actually hekta pangthokpado madu pragmatism kawe. Larik takpa matamda pragmatism hairagadi yam practical oiba mongda khut sa yauna takpa sum theory da nainaraga leiba nataba practical yauba madu pragmatism kawe. Hairiba masugumba pragmatic oiba mongda larik taki hairagadi ozadugi skill ozadugi experience darkar oiba maru oirise ozadugi personality do not trip maru oibudi oi personality su but adubu hena maru oibudi magi skill magi experience to aduni hena maru ori aduna mana limited importance haise importance ti oi magi ozagi personality si but limited oi hairise masi chanai chumme basigi statement si masu. See the high reasonable role of teacher's personality is very important. Yamna maru oi haise masina pragmatism da. Pragmatism da di ozagi personality maru oi banati magi experience magi skill maru oi haibani masimalan gani ko. Role of teacher's personality is not of limited importance. Limited importance natti haibani important oi adum haini naturalism da. Like takpuda naturalism ga hai taragadi natural environment ta mahiroi singna leiriba magi natural environment to aduda base toroga like tambiba haibani masida so magi personality adum hairaba dum maru oiba adugumba so dum oi yam oi or oidina akhoina dum khara dum discuss tobabudi yai adubu hairiba abcd sida hena chana ba hairagadi aduga option da so mana pirise ani khaktang khangba hairabagadi c se masil lal haibasi mede aikhoi khange c se su eliminate tawkhraba aduga lemhori singde hena chana ba khanba matamda e ga v ga se masini hena chanai aduna option 1 se masi chungani basigi question number 13 gi. Question number 14 namuk yeng singu. Question number 14 su list 1 ga list 2 ga piraga ani si matching taw haibani. List 1 na kai pirino yeng singu multi-sensory approach example hai. Mane example se karamaina tawba multi-sensory hai. Multi-sensory hai taragadi koina sense organ se masi multiple oiba. Eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin na mid na kong se si mayam se sense organ ngaktani masida multi sense organ amadagi hienba ko. Aduna multi-sensory haibama. Generally larik takpa teaching matangda multi-sensory hairise aikoina digitally nainaba matamda videos si pictures yawi audio yawi audio visual haidana midna su unaba kai keno mem yauri aduga sound oina su tai masi multi-sensory gi example amaneba digital video makaise. Four quadrants of learning. Like tambagi quadrant mari, potlam mari haibani. Then academic bank of credit ABC haidana NEP 2020 gi matungina lakpa amasu leire. Statistical software package. Statistics ki software package amasu leire mase. Masi mapung oina di masi higher education ga mari leinaba adugumba question oina tawi ko teaching aptitude gi di. Somna kanda pirsana mock aina pi mock sida koina swayam gain so mock example da pi khibal lei swayam sida quadrant mari yawi video lecture yawi ko study material yawi aduga self assessment tawnaba test yawi then discussion forum yawi haidana swayam gi quadrant mari gaina lei aduna four quadrants size siga chana ba hingan statistical package ti sigi PAPS PP hairisini academic bank of credit ABC sina NEP 2020 gini aduga YouTube hairisina video ni YouTube ta fangdoise visual minna unabasu yawi audio sound noina kunakongna tanabasu yawi masina multi sensory approach ke example oirese masiga chana gani. Next, question number 15. Question number 15 da andragogy hairise masi kariga mari leinabano hangbane. Andragogy one ne kai hai childhood learning theory na hairise. Childhood learning theory sidi pedagogy haibane masidigo. Pedagogy haibani adolescence is still somehow pedagogy da involved socially aduga adult learning theory hairisine ba manasida andragogy ena question na hangibase aduga self directed learning theory sinabu hutagogy kowigo hutagogy sumaina tawdana question na hangiba andragogy se adult learning statement 3 se masiga chanagan